Hey guys, James here, back with another Ventrac video. What you're going to see in this one is the guys from Ventrac Australia bringing out their Power Rake. We're going to be using it in our backyard to chop up all the soil, aerate it, level it out and get it ready for a bit of turf or a bit of grass seed. So what you'll see is the machine being used. I'll talk a little bit about it and then I'll come back and show you the finished product a few months later of how it all came up. Hope you enjoy the video. So you can see here at the front of the machine, this is where you've got the adjustment. So you can basically wind that up or down depending on how high you want the drum. So normally you start quite deep at about 16 and then you want to finish off at about 4 at the end when you're leveling out. So you just adjust that for how coarse you want that to chop down into the soil. So pretty easy adjustment. Okay, so Marcel's done the rough cut now with the real coarse rake. We're winding it up a little bit and going to come through now and start to level it off. So that's the good thing about the Power Rake, is that height adjustment. Start with it really coarse to churn it up and then lift it a little bit, start leveling it, and then the final right at the top, just a light skim just to take out all the little humps and bumps to level it off. So far it's come out really nicely. It's really leveling this whole back area out beautifully. Alright, so here we are, a few months on. You can see just how great that turned out. Not long after Marcel finished up there with the machine, I got a couple of bags of grass seed and just went and threw that around. We had some rain the next day, so it rained it all in, which was perfect. And then this is just shot up and taken off. There's a few little bald spots here and there that I still need to work on. But you can see just from that, having the machine in and chopping up all that building material, some of the rubble, some of the stuff that was left over and churning through some of that good soil, it just made a really good base for this grass to grow. And not only that, getting those levels right, being able to push the machine out and create some drainage, whereas before we had some of those spots where it just used to hold water. So yeah, really happy with how that's come up. So I hope you enjoyed the video, guys, and you got to see the Ventrac Power Rake in action. I'll put a link below to their website so you can have a look at some of the different attachments that go with the machine. But yeah, very happy with the little result that we had here. So looking forward to using some more of their little attachments and trying that machine out a bit more. Alright guys, hope you enjoyed the video. Please give it a thumbs up if you have, like or subscribe if you're new, and don't forget to follow us along on all our social media channels as well. Alright, catch you next time.